Hi everyone, and thank you for tuning into this month's Screener newsletter. My name is Callie Ochanicki, and I'm a member of the Customer Success team. A recent topic discussed in the news is the strong performance seen by REIT stocks in the past year. At the beginning of 2018, analysts deemed REIT stocks as undervalued but likely to outperform the market. Shareholders may look to add REITs to their investments not only for diversity, but also for the yield. REIT stocks can be valuable for income-oriented investors as these reliable dividend payouts tend to increase over time. Today we are going to jump into the equity screener to create a universe of REIT stocks with strong and progressive dividend yields. We will add some metric filters to examine dividend momentum and finish with a scoring model to rank payout growth. Now let's get started. First, we're going to hover over Tools and click on Equity Screener. Next, let's modify the equity universe. Modifications made to the universe will always be qualitative. If we click on Modify Equity Universe and then select Types, we will intersect REIT. If I want to exclude a certain type of REIT, I can modify the universe and then select Sectors. I'm going to choose Real Estate and REIT, Hotel and Motel. If we modify the universe again, we will want to intersect dividend growth over the last 5 years, and then intersect dividend consistency over the last 5 years. We want companies that are not only consistently paying dividends, but also growing their dividend payments. Next, we're going to add some quantitative filters. First, let's click on Add a Metric Filter. Today, we're going to start off with a rank. We're going to utilize Distribution Yield, TTM, and select the drop-down to percentile sequential. We are looking for the top 50 percentile with higher value as better. We want stocks that issue both dividends and capital gains. We will click on Add a Metric Filter again, and we'll use another equation. This time we will use Dividend Yield Forward and select the drop-down to greater than and use Dividend Yield TTM. We are looking for stocks whose dividend payments are projected to grow. I'm going to finish off this screen by creating a scoring model to rank our universe. If we select Scoring Models, we're going to name our scoring system Dividend Score. We're going to leave our scoring system as a rank, with 1 being the best score based upon our weighted metrics. The first metric I'm going to add is Dividend Growth, TTM. I'll select the drop-down as higher is better, and null values to 0. We will weight this metric in at 50%. Rising dividend growth is viewed positively, as this implies that companies have financial capabilities to pay out shareholders using dividends. The second metric I'm going to add is dividend per share 5-year growth. I will select the drop-down as higher is better and null values to 0. We'll also weigh this in at 50%. Long-term growth for dividends per share directly translate to not only more income in a shareholder's pocket, but also a sign that earnings growth may be sustainable. Once we select Add Score column, we can go ahead and organize our universe based upon the scores given. We can see here that the stock ABR ranks in first according to our specifications. If you have any questions regarding the screen I've created today, feel free to reach out to your support contact for more information. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for further screener newsletters.